A private school that had been turned into a poultry farm has now reopened for learning. The proprietor of Roka Preparatory Primary School had converted classrooms to rear chicken and the field as a farm when learning institutions were closed in March last year due to the coronavirus pandemic.
Roka Preparatory Primary School classrooms, which had been turned to a poultry farm, have now been reopened for learning. James Kungu, the proprietor of the school, says he opted to turn the school into a farm to meet his financial obligations.
Wakati corona ilizuka na watoto wakaenda nyumbani, nilibaki katika hali ya hatihati na muda si muda nikafikiria jinsi ambavyo ningejikimu kimaisha, ndio ndiposa nikaongezea mradi wangu wa kufuga kuku na nikayatumia ya madrasa kama vyumba vya kuku.
Kungu also stated that he has kept contact with his teachers during the time schools were closed and supported them during the difficult time.
Whatever little I earned from the chicken, from the shamba, or any other enterprise, I kept sending them bit by bit for upkeep. So when I call them, they came back.
Catherine Nguna, a parent, was elated that the government had decided to reopen schools.
Nimekuja kutafutia mtoto shule, sababu tumekaa na watoto nyumbani sana, wamesahau sana, so inabidi sasa warudi shule. Hata tumefurahia wakati serikali imesema warudi shule.
Kungu is now advising other proprietors to keep their eyes open as the pandemic is not over.